In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text on Wix. Whether you're sprucing up your website's design or adding a creative touch to your layout, being able to rotate text can make a big difference in how your site looks and feels. Wix is an incredibly versatile platform, and once you get the hang of it, rotating text is a quick and easy process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to rotate text elements with precision and confidence. So let's get started and dive into the step-by-step process. First things first. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Wix Editor page. It's always a good idea to bookmark this page if you plan on working on your site regularly, as it saves you some time in the future. Next, log into your Wix account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, you'll see an overview of your sites. Choose the site you want to work on and click on it. Once you're on your site's dashboard, look for the Edit Site button. Clicking this will open up the Wix Editor, which is where all the magic happens. This is the workspace where you can edit and customize your site to make it exactly how you envision it. Now, locate the text element that you'd like to rotate. This could be a title, a heading, or any text box you've already added to your page. If you don't have a text element yet, you can add one by clicking on the Add button on the left-hand menu, selecting text, and choosing the type of text box you want. Click on the text element to activate the text editing box. You'll notice that when you click on it, a small toolbar and a bounding box appear around the text. Pay attention to the small rotate icon located at the top of the text box. It looks like a circular arrow, and this is what you'll use to adjust the angle of your text. Now click and hold down on the rotate icon. While holding the mouse button, drag the icon in the direction you want to rotate the text. You can drag it clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on the look you're going for. You'll see the text rotate in real time as you move your mouse. Once the text reaches the desired angle, simply release the mouse button to set it in place. If you're aiming for a precise alignment, consider using the guidelines or reference points that appear on the page. These can help you ensure your text is perfectly positioned, especially if you're trying to match it to other design elements on your site. If you feel like the rotation isn't exactly where you want it, don't worry. You can click on the text box again to fine-tune the rotation. Take your time to get it just right. After you're satisfied with the rotation, you might want to move the text box to a different location on the page. To do this, simply click and drag the entire text box to the spot you want. Be mindful of how the placement and rotation fit within your overall design. When everything looks good, it's time to preview your work. Click on the preview feature at the top right of the Wix Editor. This allows you to see how the rotated text appears on different devices, such as desktops, tablets, and smartphones. This is an important step to make sure your design looks great across all platforms. If you notice any adjustments that need to be made, go back to the editor and tweak the rotation, placement, or alignment as needed. Once you're completely happy with the result, don't forget to publish your site. Click the Publish button so that all your changes go live for your visitors to see. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to rotate text on Wix. With this skill, you can add a creative and dynamic touch to your website's design. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.